Yeah, we're back. The Route 1 Auto Sound team. We got Abdul today, bringing out the tint skills, the nice window skills, Mr. Nana. Yeah, that's right. That's how you get the tint done here. 5 minutes. Professional. Mr. Nana. Here you go.
Let's go to the side.
We got the Salvadorian team. Sharamurka in the house. They installed an alarm remote starter on the car. He's just reading the text to his partner, Paco. Paco is doing the wiring. I'm going to check out the sign department, see what they're up to today. And we got Mr. Jalil here in the sign department. How you doing, Mr. Jalil? That's right. Working on the vinyl wrapping, doing some signs. Say hi, Jalil, to your fans.